All right. William from Williams, Philippines. Uh, Take four, I guess. Take four of a one take situation. Anyway, this is July 1st of 2024. Monday morning, about 4:20 in the a.m. Hey, hope everybody's having a good day. And yeah, I had a couple of disturbances trying to get the first take. Somebody came in on me while wanting the room, and then a car parking around and not coming straight into the building made me wonder. And yeah, fun stuff. Anyway, here we go. William from Williams, Philippines. And I've got 110 subscribers. Thank you all very much. Uh, Appreciate you catching a piece of my life. This is me just doing a little daily vlog, single cut kind of thing, single take, and putting it out there. Just my stray thoughts as I'm trying to get things built up and ready to go to the Philippines, sold off and getting ready to go to the Philippines. Yesterday morning I got home and mowed the lawn, and yeah, it got pretty tall. I can still go back over it with my electric mower and get it some shorter. I'll probably give it a couple days, let it grow a little more, and then hit it with the electric mower. Trying to keep it short, but not too short. My neighbor cut his down to nothing. The new neighbor, I don't think he's got an inch worth of grass on that dirt. It shows the dirt through it, so it's not going to be good for the grass. And yeah, mine on the other hand, I mow it at about 3 inches tall, and well, because of that, I don't have to water to keep my grass green normally. It is what it is, though. If you cut it short, you don't have grass to grow because there's no moisture to grow it, but your yard looks like crap. Cut it tall, you've got shade for the roots, and it causes moisture that is there for the plants to grow, so it grows faster. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, the mowing of lawns, I still got the backyard to go. I at least got the front one done. I'll try to get the other one done when I get the backyard done, and try to get down the alleyway with the at least the weed eater, if not the electric mower. We'll see how tall it is. I'll take a peek over the fence to decide which one goes around. But it is what it is. And I got to call and find out where my therapy place is, because I got it logged into my calendar on my phone, but I didn't get I didn't put down where. Yeah, I need to start making sure I make notes of that kind of stuff. Because, yeah, I've slept since then. So, now I look at my calendar and I can see what day it is, but it doesn't tell me where I'm going. So, I goofed. Got to take and start paying more attention there. Make life easier. It is what it is. Anyway, it's a Monday, so yes. Time card goes in this week, and then I got 2 more weeks. I'm gonna have to follow through on every 2 weeks and figure out when's probably going to be the best time to look for plane tickets that way. It is what it is. Well, what caused that noise? Hmm. We don't see. I don't know. You know, I really don't feel like trying to do this one again. So I'm not going to let this disturb me. I'm going to carry on unless somebody actually comes in. Anyway, it is what it is. Getting a lot of noise. I guess it's a guest coming up from the first floor. We shall see. Yeah. Was looking at some of the cars in the parking lot, and I remember hearing somebody talking about, folks posturing, buying big, high dollar cars, and being broke. Yet somebody, got a $1,000 pickup that's 25 years old, it's paid for. It's kind of like me, I prefer to have you know, a good car that's, good repair. I don't care if it's old, because, well, I'm not trying to posture for other people. I'm just trying to get something that's reliable transportation for as long as I can, for as cheap as I can. But yeah, it's a way of looking at life, I guess. If you have a car that has a house payment or more price, and you have a house payment on top of it, and you might make good money because you're able to afford a Jaguar or BMW or whatever. But then you wonder why you're having to work yourself to death at a high dollar job, and then you're broke. Because too many people buy the status, the symbol. Could care less. But then, they take and have the high dollar status car or the symbol, and then they complain about the price of a mid range or low end hotel price. Yeah. I'd rather save the money, and that's why I'm complaining about having high dollar insurance on this Kia Rio. $188. My car payment wasn't that big, and I'm quite honestly thinking the best thing I can do is get rid of this car and find me an old beater for $1,500. You can't find a beater for $150 anymore. I sure wish I could, because I'd do it. But yeah, I think I paid, what was it? I think it was $190 for the first car I tried to buy. Yeah. Got him down from 2. And then while I was over heading to the bank to get the money for it, came back with money in hand. He'd done sold it for $220. It is what it is. Oh God, that was, good Lord. 81? It's 43 years ago. Yeah. Yeah. Old NAS Rambler. Wish I'd have got it, because hell, if I could have kept that car and just parked it in the yard, and a few years later turned around and remodeled it, and rehabbed it. Yeah, I could have had a pretty good car that, cost next to nothing, and today would be worth a fortune. It is what it is. Anyway, got the mowing today, find out where my rehab's going to be, and then rehab tomorrow, and I don't know. Yes, ma'am.
For real, no elevator?
No elevator. You'll make it. Yeah. Oh, my hotel is old enough that it doesn't have elevators. It is what it is. Could be worse. But yeah, it's an old building that's been remodeled a few times, kind of like that car I was talking about, except this is actually older than I am. Yeah, it is what it is. But get the lawn done today, and then find out where my rehab place is, and that way I can go to rehab tomorrow and hopefully get done there and get back to the house and try to rest, because I think Wednesday is going to be another trying to get the chicken coop and some tree branches and such out of the way. The stuff's got to go still. Try to throw a couple of bits of the beehives. I've got a couple of those need to go. They've been sitting outside too long, and I tried to talk to somebody about taking them, but they didn't want to come take them. Wanted me to load them in my car and bring them to them, but didn't want to come pick them up. Yeah. Somebody's going to give you something and you won't even come pick it up. Well, I'm not going to sit here and fight them over it. They don't want to put in the energy to come get it. I'm just going to throw it out with the trash. I'm not going to fight with them, argue with them, or, not my department, not my worry, not my give a flying Fruit Loop about. If they don't want to put some effort into it, why should I? Just saying. So, I'm probably going to end up tossing the beehives out. Parts of them, at least. Might put the other parts up, and because I do have one hive that is still out there and active, and if they're gonna stay out there, I might try to work them this year, see if I can build them up and get them into a second story, a second frame, and let them have that as their home. And even if I don't do anything with it, maybe just leave the beekeeping equipment here and maybe let the new people take over. I don't know. So I don't want to throw away, I don't want to go and destroy a hive and such, but I sure ain't going to try to go out and work to get something. I'm not going to work for somebody else's bonus. So, I'd just as soon leave it here and let somebody else find it as a surprise. It is what it is. And if they go over there and find out the hard way, well, if they don't know what a beehive is, it's not my fault they walk up and do stupid. Yeah. So, it's probably what I will end up doing with the beehives. The beehives that's actually got some bees in it. I don't want to, create a mess. But hopefully it can expand and do good. Oh, what else? But yeah, got to get the chicken coop down, some beehive parts out, and the some more of the yard stuff done. And I think I'm going to try to call the guy about the IBC totes also and see if he can get over and take the two out of the backyard over to his place where he does the flea market where he does his sales. We'll see. But anyway, I'm kind of rambling today. It's been a long one and I'm ready for it to be over. No, they didn't stretch the day just for me. It's just been long to me. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Comment too also, please. Y'all have a blessed one. This is Fish, and Fish is out.